Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing 20 small business ideas that you can start with under $100. Let's dive right in. Business idea number one, freelance social media management. If you have a knack for creativity and communication, this might be a business for you. If you are often on TikTok or on Instagram, you can help small businesses manage their profiles, create posts, and engage with followers. Startup cost is $0 to $50 for some basic courses or tools. Pro tip: offer a discounted package for your first client and then use the result as a case study. Earning potential is from $500 to $3,000. Business idea number two is print-on-demand merch. If you have some design ideas or catchy quotes, you can start your own print-on-demand store. You create the designs and a print-on-demand service handles everything else. They handle the printing and shipping, so no inventory costs. Startup costs, free to low cost with many POD platforms. Pro tip: focus on a niche, like empowering women quotes or mom life designs to stand out. Monthly earning potential is anywhere between $200 to $2,000. Business idea number three is virtual assistant. If you are organized and great at multitasking, you can become a virtual assistant. Busy entrepreneurs need help with admin tasks, emails, and scheduling. And the greatest thing about this is that you can learn how other successful businesses operate, and then you can apply that knowledge to your own business. Startup cost is under $100. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Pro tip is specialize on certain industries, like wellness coaches or e-commerce sellers. That way you can charge more. Earning potential is $500 to $2,500 per month. Business idea number four is homemade bath and body products. Turn your passion for self-care into profit by making bath and body products at home, such as soaps and scrubs. Startup cost is from $50 to $100 for ingredients and packaging. Pro tip: market natural, organic, or vegan options. Instagram and Etsy are incredible platforms for this kind of business. Average earning potential is from $300 to $1,500 per month. Business idea number five is tutoring and online courses. If you love teaching, offer tutoring or online courses for the topics you excel at. Startup cost is $0. All you need is your computer and your creativity. Pro tip is spread the word through your local community groups and Facebook. Earning potential is from $300 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number six is home bakery. If you are a good cook, start a home bakery. Cupcakes, cookies, and specialty cakes are always in demand for birthdays, gender reveal parties, and events. Startup cost is under $100 for ingredients and packaging. Pro tip is post pictures on social media so that as soon as somebody sees your pictures, they want to buy from you. Earning potential is from $500 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number seven, pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking is an amazing idea for you, and it's very cheap to start. Lots of pet owners need help during the day or when they travel. Startup cost is $0. Pro tip is partner with local vets or pet stores for referrals. Monthly earning potential is from $300 to $1,500. Business idea number eight is personalized gift baskets. Create personalized gift baskets for special occasions, birthdays, Mother's Day, or corporate events. Startup cost is $50 to $100 for the basket supplies. Pro tip: cater to a niche like new mom basket or vegan snack basket. Monthly earning potentials from $200 to $1,500 plus. Business idea number nine is content creation and blogging. If you love writing or creating videos, start a content creation business. Monetize with sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or ad revenue. Startup cost is under $100. Pro tip is focus on unique angle, like budgeting tips or fashion hauls for petite women. That way you can build your loyal audience. Business idea number 10 is event planning. Micro events are super popular now. Think about intimate weddings, baby showers, or theme parties. If you love organizing events, this might be for you. Startup cost is under $100 for decoration. Pro tip is showcase your creativity on social media and always gather testimonials from your happy clients. Earning potential is from $300 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number 11 is digital printables and planners. If you love organization and design, create digital printables and planners. Things like budgeting sheets, daily planners, or goal trackers. Pro tip is tailor your printables to a specific audience, like wedding planners or fitness trackers. Monthly earning potential is from $100 to $1,000. Business idea number 12 is DIY jewelry making. Show off your creativity by launching a DIY jewelry line. Stock up on basic supplies and design your unique jewelry. Startup cost is from $50 to $100. Pro tip: offer custom name necklaces or birthstone bracelets for added personalization. Don't forget to capture high quality images for your social media accounts. Average earning potentials from $200 to $1,500 per month. Business idea number 13 is resume writing and career coaching. If you are great with using AI tools, or you're just amazing at writing resumes and you understand how the hiring process works, this idea might be for you, because lots of people are still going the traditional route and they're looking for a job in a conventional way. Startup cost is $0 to $50 per month. Pro tip is focus on a niche. Find new grads, career changers, or working moms returning to the workforce. That way you'll be able to attract targeted clients. Monthly earning potentials from $300 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number 14 is reselling, buying second-hand items and then simply reselling them online at a higher price. Startup cost is under $100 as an initial investment. Pro tip: look for a brand name clothes or vintage products. Platforms like Poshmark, eBay, or Depop are great for this kind of business. Business idea number 15, childcare and babysitting services. If you love kids and have the safe environment for them, then starting a small childcare at home could be a great idea for you. Startup cost is $0 if you already have a great space for children. Maybe you'll need some funds for toys and supplies. Pro tip is get CPR certified or take basic childcare courses. Earning potential is from $300 to $2,000 plus per month. Business idea number 16, handmade candles and wax melts. Handmade candles are always a hit, especially if you experiment with natural ingredients and unique scents. Startup cost is $50 to $100 for the material. Pro tip: personalized labels, offer gift sets, and showcase the candle making process on social media to attract customers. Monthly earning potential is $200 to $1,500. Business idea number 17 is local tour guide services. If you live in a location with interesting landmarks, nature spots, or historic events, then this idea is great for you. Startup cost is $0. Pro tip: highlight unique experiences like food tours, ghost walks, or scenic hikes. Earning potentials from $200 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number 18 is painting and party services. You can bring so much fun to birthdays and events with face painting services. If you are artistic, this could be a hit. Startup cost is $50 to $100 for material. And pro tip is market your services to parents, daycares, or local event planners. Monthly earning potentials from $300 to $1,500 per month. Business idea number 19 is personalized shopping and style consulting. So many people need help with their style. They want to look stylish, but they don't know how. So that's when you come in. Startup costs are minimal. Pro tip is create style guides on Instagram or TikTok to attract clients. Earning potential from $300 to $2,000 per month. Business idea number 20, personalized digital art commissions. If you are an artist, personalized digital art like custom portraits, logos, or pet illustrations can be a profitable gig. Startup cost is under $100. Pro tip: offer variations, cartoon portraits, watercolor effects, or couple illustrations. Showcase your portfolio on social media. Earning potential is from $200 to $1,500 per month. Those are my 20 small business ideas that you can start with under $100 investment. I also created a product launch checklist that you can download for free right below this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a wonderful day.